All rise. Judge Vanderbeek Court is now in session. Judge, this is case number JVB 1010, Laura versus Tower.
Thank you.
Well,
Ooh, you all may be seated. Let's see. Miss Laura,
Yes, ma'am.
you brought this case before the court. What's going on?
I'm trying to get my baby back.
Okay.
I have two babies,
Okay.
and I just had another baby with my boy. He's not my boyfriend anymore, but he hit my first baby, so Houston got to take him, and I want him back because I'm not with that boyfriend anymore.
So Houston took the baby or you lost the baby?
All right, people, buckle up because this court case is about to get crazy. A mother is here demanding her child back. It sounds easy, but it's not so quick. The child has lived with the father for years, and now she suddenly wants custody and child support. Not only that, but there's an ex-boyfriend involved who has a history of abuse. The judge isn't having any of it, so things are going to take a drastic turn.
You lost the baby. So did somebody intervene and take the baby away from you? And
Yes,
give the baby?
ma'am. They took the baby and gave him to Houston,
Okay.
and I want him back.
Okay. And you have a new baby with your ex-boyfriend?
Not ex-boyfriend, ex-boyfriend.
So you guys are no longer together?
Correct, ma'am.
How old is this new baby?
How old's the new baby?
Yes.
Like 8 months.
And you're done with him after 8 months?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
I was done with him like 10 months ago. The baby's 8 months.
Oh, okay. So before the baby was born?
Yes, ma'am.
Did he come to the birth of the child?
No, I didn't want him around.
Oh, okay. All right. So you now want to get custody back from...
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
From Houston.
Who does the baby live with?
me.
The baby? No, my baby lives with me.
No, not your child. How many children do you all have between you?
Just one.
Just one. And the child lives with him.
Yes, ma'am.
And you want the baby back.
Yes, ma'am.
How long has the baby lived with you?
The baby? It's been
Yeah.
living the whole time.
Oh, okay. And how old is this child?
5.
5. Oh. And you expect to get child support?
Yes, ma'am.
And the child has been living with him for almost, it's a boy or girl?
Boy.
His whole life?
Yes, ma'am. Well, when I get my baby back, I want child support. Yeah. He makes way more money than I do. I want my baby back and I want child support.
I'm sorry, you have to excuse me because nothing you're saying is making.
Hold on, she claims to have lost the child, but Houston took it. This is a serious red flag in legal terms because when a child is taken from a parent, it's usually because of abuse, neglect, or an unsafe environment. Based on what we're hearing, it sounds like her ex-boyfriend was the issue, but the courts prioritize stability for the child. So even though she has been living with her father for years, does she really have a case? Let's see how the judge handles this one.
It's me to give a child back to you that was taken from you, that's 5 years old, that's pretty much lived with this man the entire time that he has been taken care of.
They took my baby away because my ex-boyfriend is an abuser and I'm not with him anymore, so I want my baby back.
Right, but the child hasn't been living with you. The child has been living with him.
Yeah, because of my ex, and I'm not with my ex anymore.
Yeah, so no, it doesn't work like that. It doesn't work like that. He would literally have to have given you the child back. And then you come in here, after you've been having the child for some time, then you come in here and say, Judge, I want this to be changed. I've been having the child this entire time. I want him to pay child support. That would be a little bit more reasonable. But what you're asking for today is very unreasonable.
Okay, well, give me my baby back, and then I'll come back in a while and ask for child support.
Well, I can't give you your baby back because I never took your baby. Okay? Actually, nobody really took your baby. You lost your baby for your own negligence with your ex-boyfriend. That has nothing to do with me. Okay? Now, fill me in over here. The baby was placed with you after the boyfriend hit the baby.
Yep.
And he's been living with you ever since then.
Yep.
You've been taking care of him.
Mm-hmm.
You pay for everything for the child.
Everything.
What does she do?
I visit.
She visits unsupervised.
Okay, congratulations. Financially, what does she do?
Financially?
Yeah.
Nothing.
Oh, that's what I figured. Okay. I see what's going on here.
Now, this is where things get complicated. She is in court requesting both child support and her child back in the same sentence. But wait, this child has lived with the father all of his life. You can't just show up one day and say, "Oops, I'm sorry," and expect the system to work in your favor. The judge will see right through it, honestly, and give her the benefits without the responsibility. What do you think?
You're the one that's going to pay him child support today.
What?
Yeah, you are.
He makes like 3 times as much money as I do. I have to give him my money?
It's for the child, so yes, you do. You do. But the good thing is, it's based on your income. You'll get credit for the other child that you're 8-month-old, you'll get credit for that child. But yes, you are going to pay him child support. That's just the right thing to do. It's one child between the two of you, okay? And health insurance, I'm assuming you pay it.
Yes.
How much is it?
$66 a month.
$66.
I get it through
Okay.
my employer, so.
Huh?
I get it through my employer.
Okay, gotcha. And how much do you make a year?
$38,000.
So I have your gross coming out to $3,200. That brings your net to $2,648.01. Giving you credit for the other child that you have, your child support obligation comes out to $423.69 plus the $66 you're going to reimburse him for health insurance every month. So 66 added to $463.69 is $489.69.
$489.69?
Did you need me to repeat it?
I'm asking you, $489.
The judge suddenly reveals that she is not only not receiving child support, but that she is also responsible for paying it. Her response is classic. You're going to pay him child support? It's like a record scratch. The law is clear that the custodial parent receives support, and since the father has been raising the child, it only makes sense. However, she is shocked. Did she really think she could just flip the script and walk out with a check? Oh, this just keeps getting better.
Yeah, that's how it works. Did you really think that I was going to have him pay you child support?
No, I just wanted my baby.
$489.69 per month. Indeed, she is unhappy with her new bill. But let's face it, that's the cost of accountability. The judge even gave her a break by taking into account her other child. The lesson here is that courts consider the facts rather than favoritism, and the fact is that Dad has been doing the work. What do you think of this decision, and do you think she should have been given another chance?
And exactly why you have to pay child support. Is there anything else?
No, ma'am.
Okay, is there anything else?
Nope.
Okay, you all are dismissed.
There you have it then. The judge made it clear that custody isn't a revolving door, and that a parent who loses custody must demonstrate long-term stability before regaining it. If you found this case as shocking as we did, you'll see that it's not going to work. A mother came in expecting a victory but left with a child support bill. Please share your opinions in the comments section and remember to subscribe for more astounding courtroom analyses. I'll see you at the next one.